Okay, so I've built, or rebuilt I should say, the Caprihania 2, and we're going to have another go at flying it and see what happens. I gotta say I'm kind of nervous. Fingers crossed. Crashed again.
Sorry?
It's screwed. I don't like this. Okay, so it's the morning after, so I kind of calmed down a little bit from my mega frustrating second Maiden attempt. And yeah, a couple of conclusions really. So what I have done overnight is I've epoxied the things that are broken. So this had all snapped out. Luckily I was able to find the GoPro, so not all lost. Around here was all cracked, so I epoxied that. There was some cracking on the bottom. This is snapped off, so there's a bit of tape on there. And yeah, basically I concluded a few things. I still have no idea why it didn't fly. I think the second thing where it did the spinning might have been me to try, because I tried to trim out the kind of little roll the first time round. But I've re-glued on that winglet that I think just wasn't glued properly from the manufacturer. But yeah, I can't remember exactly how much this has cost me now. I'll put a little link down. I think the actual build altogether cost me about £600, I think. And that's cost me also, that's another 150 pounds, I think, because I had to buy a new wing, bought a new wing layer as a spare. So I've got a few spares in here. But yeah, really frustrating. So basically my conclusion is I think I've glued it enough that I might attempt another fly, but I think the wings aren't for me. Now, just before anyone starts moaning, I know the wings are hard to fly, and I also appreciate that based on some more reading, the Caprihania 2 perhaps isn't the best wing to learn on, but I guess I've kind of always wanted to try and fly one of these, and I guess I've got it out of my system. And they make it look like it's so easy. So I'm just going to stick to drones, I think, unless one more go without spending more money on this. If it does any flight, then I'd be kind of happy. So really hopefully what you can learn from this is don't be an idiot like me. If you're going to start learning on a wing, buy something really cheap, like from Hobby King or something that's like 60 quid to start on. And really the reason I didn't do that is I'm a real big fan of the Team Black Sheep stuff. Real good quality things. If you tend to buy the things they recommend, it kind of just works. So kind of my mental thinking was, you know, buy cheap, buy twice, buy three, buy four. So do it right the first time. I just don't think that applies to the wings, right? I think you're just going to trash them when you're trying to learn how to do this. It just seems so different. So I've flown plane before. It's the wing just seems so different. So perhaps it's just not for me. So I've tried it. I've got it on my system. I might come back to it. We'll see. But right now, I'm not going to spend any more money on repairing it, because really it's another £120 for plus shipping for a new set of wings to properly repair it, because I don't think that epoxy is going to hold up. If I kind of tug it a little bit, it moves. So temporary fix, but ultimately I have to buy another. Really, I have another kit, or just the wings on its own is 60. But as I said before, all the epoxy on the wood just means you have to sand it down. It's going to take for ages, so I'm just kind of done with it. But there we go. So yes, probably an idiot. Learn from my mistakes. Hope you get on better. Maybe we'll try wings again, a cheaper version. But yeah, I think next on my list is let's build this rocket and see if that works. This is just for fun, really. See what happens. Nope. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.